Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Joe, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to create a Google document, also known as Google Doc. So to get started, you need to go to the Google Docs page, find out docs.google.com. So on this web page, you're going to be presented with a screen like this. And from here, you can see that there are some templates that are available to you. You have a resume template if you're trying to create a resume. There's the letter template if you're trying to write a letter. You have a project proposal template. You have a brochure template for someone that's trying to create a product brochure. And then you have a report template for someone that's trying to create a report. So you can edit any of these templates to suit your purpose. And also you can click on the template gallery link to view more templates. So there are lots more templates available in Google Docs. So, but for this tutorial, we'll not be using a template. We'll be creating a document from scratch. And to start from scratch, you can find a blank document template on the Google Docs page. So the blank document template allows you to create your own documents from scratch. It's going to give you an empty canvas that you can work with. So what I'm going to do is to click on this blank document, and then it's going to open a page like this. So now this is the editing page where I can actually add content to my document. You can see that this is a blank A4 sheet kind of document where you can write things and create your own document. So the first thing I'm going to do is to update the document name to generative AI. This is a title for the document that I'm trying to create. So once you put this name allows you to identify your document later on. So when you go to the Google Docs homepage, you're going to see this name as the name of the document, and then you'll be able to know that, oh, this is your document. So let me put AI2 because I have a document that is named generative AI. So this one is going to be generative AI-2. So for the content of the document, I've employed Google Gemini. So the Gemini is a Google AI that allows you to create content. So I asked it to create um, a 5 paragraph content about generative AI, and I'm just going to paste this into my Google Docs. As you can see, now we have text about generative AI. So just like you have in other content editing tools and software like Microsoft Office, Google Docs also have the formatting element that allows you to customize the looks and appearance of your document. So over here you can choose the styles for your document. Then you can choose the font. You can choose the font size from here. You can add bold, italics, underline. Then you can change the text color from here. You can change the highlight color. You can include a link from here. And you can do much more from all the menu options available on this panel. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this heading to an H1 heading, so that it's going to be big and bold at the top of the document. Okay, now we have that. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font size of my article or document to 12, or let's do 14 to make it bigger. Okay, I'm going to add some spacing here using the enter on my keyboard. And so this is basically how it works. You could do anything. You could make this bold. You could make this italic and underline it. So basically that's how to use the Google Doc. Right now we have a Google document with text that we want, and we added H1 heading 1 title to it. So now let's go back to the Google Docs home page by clicking on this. You can see Docs Home. When you click on this blue Docs icon, it takes us to the Doc Home. And on the Docs Home, you will see that there's a new document called Generative AI2. So this is the document that we just created right now. If you click on this document again, it takes you back to the editing screen where you can continue editing and customizing your documents. You could include images into this document. From here you could add links by clicking on these, and then you can add a link. here, and then you have a link inserted into document. So basically, this is how easy it is to create a Google document. Remember, go to docs.google.com. From docs.google.com, pick a template or start with a blank template, and then you can put in your content on the template. So before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber, and then like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.